In these clips, we're looking at the danger of vehicles approaching a crossing or an intersection at speed. In previous videos, I covered this thoroughly, and I stressed the point that whenever you as a driver approach an intersection, always slow down. Never go through an intersection at a high speed. This is the primary rule for approaching or going through an intersection. So this motorist approaching the intersection at too high a speed, there is a pedestrian crossing, and the pedestrian was well in the line of sight of the motorist. So there's nothing to have blocked the view of the pedestrian. Don't know if this driver is under the influence, because we'll see that there's a follow-up clip and what he does next. This is a continuation of the previous clip. Had actually crossed over the line and now collided with an oncoming vehicle. So no doubt this driver was under some sort of influence, or there was something wrong. This next real life clip, we've got a truck approaching, sees that there's a stationary vehicle, tries to swerve out the way and lands up across the road, almost injuring these pedestrians. So a number of the pedestrians knocked down, but fortunately, when you examine the clip, it doesn't look like anybody was injured. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.